Hi all, today I am going to disassemble one game console and we'll see what are the components inside the game console and whether it is possible for us to build the similar one. So I went to market and I bought this. It's written a pop station. So basically it is a Chinese version and I got it around for 100 rupees. So it's written here made in China. So what we will do, we will see what are the different games inside it and how this actually working from behind. So what is inside the black box, we will see that. So after opening I got this. It has around 4 buttons: on, off, then it's written start, pause, preset and sound, and it has certain buttons called rotate. Then there are some buttons, 4 buttons here. Let's start and see what are the purpose of these buttons. So this is a block game. There's a nice music behind. And I have played this type of games during my childhood many times. So I'm very enthused to see what is inside of this and how they have built, how they have assembled this, and how these games are functioning. So what I will do, I will show you different type of games which are present currently. So this is the one you can see. You have to stack the different blocks. This is the second one, the third one. There are different levels. You can see here at the bottom it's written 1. You can change that level. If I press here, the level gets changed. So there are different levels. So I click around it. So let it be. There are plenty of levels in each game. So now if I move to next game, there is also similar kind of thing. Similar. This is also a block. Similar. Then you see this game. It is very good game where you have to kill enemies which are coming from surrounding. This is getting good. This is the ping ball game. You can say the bouncing. Anyway, so this is the start of the game. Let's play one. So you can rotate the block and you can speed up the process. You can move here, move there, you can come fast. So these are the buttons used for controlling and these are the buttons used for changing the shape. Okay, there is a reset button and there is sound on off button. If I click on sound off button, the sound won't come. Now again if I click on sound, it will come. So let's see what is inside it. I'm very enthused, I'm very amazed by this small device. It's only costs for 100 rupees. So let's turn it off. And initially first remove the batteries, because if you are going to disassemble it, the inner circuit may get damaged because of the batteries. I am going to remove the 2 AA batteries, each of 1.5 volt. So I am going to remove the 6 screws which are present here. So from behind you can see there are holes here, so definitely the sound actuator will be there, so be careful while removing it. So I'm gonna open it. Yeah, you see there is one sound speaker here, and these are the battery connections, positive, negative, and this is going to something, and behind that there is a display you can see, and in two sides the control buttons are there, and to that button you can see there are two kind of boards. So I first remove the sound from its position. So I'm being careful so that it won't get broken. So I will remove this board, and first I will remove the control board and see what is behind it. So this was the control board where the four different type of controls are present, left, right, top, down. So let's remove that first and see how that is functioning. Yeah, there are four buttons, and below that there's something, this circuit present. So you can see there are some type of lines, conductive lines present on it, and definitely it might be functioning such that this button has some conductive layer over it. So whenever we push it, that conductive layer will short circuit these lines which are present here. I mean, this button will get actuated. There are words written here, left, right, up, down. So whenever I push this left button, the conductive layer present on this button center, you can see, I will remove that. So remove only one. So this is the button. So to that button there is inside a conductive layer, so that short circuits the circuit present over the board, and definitely there will be some controller, microcontroller kind of thing here which senses that actuation and does change in the display or a change in program which might be present inside it. So let's remove the second one. This is the main thing, we have to see what is inside it and how the display is getting signal from it. Definitely those two buttons we have removed, and now let's remove the main thing. See what is inside it. So Remember, there were four buttons for start, stop, and sound control. So might be those are here. You see, there are four buttons, and similar kind of sensing is there, and these four buttons are visible here. So basically, the display is connected to this main board, main PCB, through this side. You can see there are side connections, and this is the display. So I think I can remove it. Let me remove it. Yeah. So this is the display, and there must be connections to display. It's a LCD display, so there may be signaling going on from this controller. So definitely inside of this black thing there will be a controller which is controlling all things, and I am very interested to see what is inside it. Definitely I have to do something to melt it and see how they have programmed it, and how tiny kind of thing they have built it in such a great manner. So that's it for today. I was just showing you we can build similar kind of thing using the similar technology. However, we can change the display, we can change the type of games which we have, and we can build one game console. Definitely I will try to build some game console in future, and I will try to show it on here. Have fun, and let me know in case of any queries you have. We can discuss it over in comment section. Thank you.